Let's understand how to load the data into Power BI desktop and create a sample visual. Let's begin. Double tap on Power BI desktop icon. So it will open the Power BI desktop application. So I am opened my application, just clicking on blank report. It will show me this view. So here we have an option of getting the data, that means loading the data into a Power BI desktop. We can import Excel data clicking on here or directly here or else here. So I will just click on this option. So I will choose my file and click on open. It will take some time to establish connection between Excel and Power BI, so that whatever the data we update in the Excel, same data will be updated in Power BI also. So if we have the data in Excel, the number of sheets will be shown here. Let me show the Excel. If you see, this is the sheet I have, sales data. So these are the table data. The columns are sales, sale date, state, salesman, product, quantity, and sales amount. Here if you see, it has different dates and the state Karnataka, Telangana, and Maharashtra, and salesman, the name of the person, the products, mobile, laptop, computer, and headphone. These are the quantity and sales amount. Let's open Power BI again. So once we click on this sale data, whatever the data present in the sheet, it will be shown. So this is for our reference. So once we click on this checkbox, the load button will be enabled. We have other option also, transform and cancel. The transform data, which will be using Power Query, we will be doing in the later videos. Let's click on the load. Once we click on the load, it will take a few seconds so that data will be loaded. So it is loading the data. So if you see, sale data is loaded. In the data pane, we can able to see the sale data. If you click on expand, so we have all the columns listed here. So if you want to see the data table, we can click on table view. So whatever the data we imported using this Excel file, the same we can view here. So going back to the report view, this is empty canvas page. So we can go with the multiple page, and in the single canvas we can add multiple charts. So charts are, we call it as a tiles. We can add multiple tiles into a canvas. And if you see, this is the data. If you click on any column and drag it to the empty canvas, it will create a view. So let me take sale amount and drag it to the canvas. It will by defaultly apply the sum chart. So if you see, this chart is clustered column chart. Click on outside of the chart tile, so this will be not showing. If you click on the tile again, so if you see, this is active now. This is the column chart we using now. Defaultly it has taken the column chart. So in our data, if you see, we have a sale amount. So the sale amount which we added into the chart now. So let me add a state also. So state wise, how much amount it is showing. So go to the report view, drag the state. It will divide the sale amount by state. Let me expand this. We can select this tile and we can move wherever we need. So I will just place it here, and if you want to expand it, just go to the corner and drag it, so it will expand. If you see, this is for the state of Telangana, this is state of Maharashtra, and this is for state of Karnataka. So this is the amount it is showing. So likewise we can create a tile. Here if you select this tile, and again if you want to some other chart in the visualization pane, you just go and select other chart. Here I select the bar chart. So whatever the data we already provided, same will be using the same data, it will create a bar chart. Let's click on the bar chart. So if you see, it will create a bar chart. If you go and create a pie chart, so whatever the data we gave, it will be applicable to the pie chart. So we have a donut chart. If you click on the donut chart, it will apply the same changes. And if you see, this is the blue color and it is showing for the Telangana, and this is dark blue Maharashtra, and this is orange Karnataka. So and amount it is showing here. We can create a chart by dragging and dropping this chart. So just remove this one. To remove the chart, select the tile and press the delete button. It will be deleted. So whatever the chart we need, so we can click on this chart, and if you see, this is showing the select or drag the fields to populate this visual. So currently this is empty, so we can drag this sales amount, and also we can drag the state, so it will create. Otherwise we can change here also. For example, let me delete it again. So add the column chart. So I'm just positioning it, and if you see in this axis in the visualization pane, so x-axis, so y-axis present, and small multiples and other tools. I just drag the columns to the y-axis and x-axis, so it is loading. So whatever the chart we created before by dragging and dropping this sale data column, we can do same thing using x-axis and y-axis. This is all about loading the data and creating the visual in the Power BI desktop. Thank you.